Hi. If you are missing class on Thursday, May 28th, this is what you will be missing. We're going to talk about how you can calculate percent discounts and sale prices. Have you ever been in a situation in which you wanted to know the amount of a discount or sale price when a percent discount was advertised? I know this happens to me a lot when I'm shopping. So if you are out, you may have received a chart like this from me, or you can just copy it down if you don't have it with you. So Shirley won a shopping spree from Dacey's department store. She can spend up to $150 on anything in the store. During Dacey's deal days, the store marks down its prices and pays for all sales tax. Shirley would like to buy each of the items shown below in the table. She knows that the original price of each item as well as the marked off discount for each of them. So what you want to do first is want to go through and figure out what she's actually going to pay for the item. So if you look here, she's getting a 20% discount on a scarf that costs $37. We've talked a little bit about this in class already, but I really think the easiest way that you may want to do this is turning this percent into a decimal. For 20%, you could actually use our mental strategy, but using a decimal is just as easy. So 20%, your decimal would be 0.20. If you take that and multiply it by the $37, that's going to give you an amount of how much discount she's going to receive. You can go ahead and use a calculator for this. Put it into the calculator to check and make sure, but you should come up with an answer of $7.40. Now, this is the discounted price, or how much she's getting off, not the actual price she's paying. So you should have one more step. You need to take the $37 and subtract $7.40. Once you do that, you should come up with an answer of $29.60. So I'll do one more with you. So for 15%, again, you want to change that to a decimal. That should be 15 hundredths. Once you do that and put it in the calculator, you should come up with an answer of a discount of $8.40. Again, you need to take that discount and subtract it from the original total, which is $56. Minus $8.40 gives you $47.60. Go ahead and pause this video and try and figure out your answers for the necklace, shirt, sweater, and shirt. Then press play to see if you've gotten the correct answers. Hopefully you filled out the worksheet. Here's what you should have had. Your 5% discount you should have multiplied by 0.05. That gave you a discount of a whopping $1.50. Once you subtract that from your total, your sale price should have been $28.50. For the skirt, you should have multiplied by 0.25. That gave you a discount of $9 for a sale price of $27. For the sweater, multiply by 12 hundredths. That gives you a discount of $5.40, making the sweater $39.60. Finally, the shirt was a third off, so you could just divide by 3. That means you'd be getting a discount of $7, which means the sale price comes to $14. So your next job is to use all these prices and decide if Darcy can buy everything on her list. If she can't buy everything on her list, decide what she should get rid of in order to get as much as possible. Go ahead and pause the video again and try this out. If you totaled up all of the different prices, you should have come up with a total of $186.30. This is over her budget of $150. Go ahead and write down what you got rid of, maybe on the back of the paper if you have the table with you, or on whatever you're writing on, and when you come to show me your work, you can show me what you're getting rid of. Since you won't be here to do this with your team, I'd like you to go ahead and try 6-52 and 6-53 on page 452. Do the best you can with the problems, and then bring them in, and we will talk about them once you return.